Ah, today's a beautiful day, right, Luigi? Yeah. It's like a good day outside. Not even sunny. Not a raindrop, though. That's pretty good. Yeah. What are we gonna do outside? Oh, no. Oh my gosh, the news is on! Okay, we're gonna come watch the news, Toad. Is it on? Yeah. Breaking news. Okay, I got some really bad news. It's really bad. I don't think you're gonna like it. What's the news? Be quiet. And the news is, I'm really happy. There's a tornado! Are you happy? I'm not. Being sarcastic. We are all gonna die! Oh, everybody run for your lives! Wait, so there's a tornado outside. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a good day. Stop being a wimp. Oh. You're gonna die. It's okay. Why are you so afraid? It's just a tornado. We can evacuate. No, we can't. Bowser blew up our basement and all the airports. We're all gonna die. Shut up. What? Shut. Wait. No. It can't be. Who? Oh, he's back? Oh my gosh. Yup, I'm back in town, babies. I'm back. Chef Chicken Nugget in the house. Stop dancing. Okay. So what did you need my help for? There's gonna be a tornado. A tornado, Yeah. Huh. What should I do? Stop it, maybe? What did the person on the news say? Huh. Let me just maybe do a redo of the news or whatever. We're all gonna die! So that's what he said, hey? Yeah. Well, you know what I'm gonna say to that junk? What? The tornado's gonna murder us! Oh! How everyone's so stupid! Dude! It's a bouncy ball! That's not a part of the video, Mario. It's not. Okay, fine. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Let's sit here and think. Ding ding dong 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 ding dong 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 dong. What if we please pause the video because I don't even know. Okay, I'll stop the video, man. Stop the video for a minute. Mario, do you know what you want to do? Yes. I can see myself in the corner. Well, my thing is, we should do everything that we wanted to do before we all die. Okay, let's do this. Why you lying? Why you always lying? I'm not, Mario. It's a song. Why you lying? Why you always have a lion? So what are we gonna do? What have you always wanted to do in your whole life? Get a Nintendo Switch? What the heck? What is this? Get it out, Luigi, I wonder. It's not like all your wishes will come true. It's like, I wonder what's in this. I wonder what it is. I wonder. It actually came true. It did. Is there Mario and Rabbids on here? Yep. Luigi, you need to tell me what I want. I don't give a crap. Well, I guess I'll just invite some more people. Oh, I got everyone. Well, Luigi, what have you always wanted to do? Man, I've always wanted Mario to stop farting. Well, Luigi, I am not doing that. But come on, Mario, you forgot the time. Because I have Taco Bell and garlic chip cookies. Fine. Your wish did not come true. Now get out. Okay, what's yours, Mario? Seriously, it's so easy, man. I want a crap ton of garlic chip cookies. Well, I saw like a bunch like in the corner. Goodbye. Well, I guess this came true. What's your wish, Mario? Okay, Bowser. My wish is. Okay, let's not do this prank anymore. So Bowser, what's your wish? It's to kill you. Can that be the last wish? Yeah, sure. Let's sit here. What do you want, newsman? So it's ready, Mario? Yeah. Breaking news, okay, my final wish was to just do my last news report, and I don't know what it is. So, watch me jump on this ball. Pose the camera, Mario. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna jump on this ball. This will be my final wish. Oh! Are you dead? Where is he? I mean, is he dead? Oh no. I'm gonna go do my wish outside. Okay, Mario, come back inside when I can do my wish. Okay. Okay. Oh crap, there's someone really loud out there. My last wish is to go on the swing and go on that slide on the trampoline. Let's get going. Yeah. Okay, let's go down this slide, babies. Yee! Well, that was kind of boring. Mario view. Yee! That was kind of boring. Let's do the swings. Why you lying? Why you always lying? This is not swinging that high. Swing me higher, Kimmy. Okay. Here. Why you lying? Why you always lying? Why you lying? Can I get off now? Okay, fine. Okay, Bowser. What? You can do your wish now. Yes. Goodbye, Mario. I'm goodbye of the world. Get your hand out of the camera. Okay. Wait, that was you? Yeah. This part is inappropriate, so you cannot watch. Oh, the blood's going everywhere. Good morning, sweetie pie. Oh God, is that you? God, it's you. What? I'm Chef Chicken Nugget. Wait, huh? But I just died and you went over there and you were like... How do you know what you did? It was a dream. Well, I think we were in the same dream. Because there was a tornado in my dream. Mine too. This is a really awkward ending. We have the same voice. I know. Probably next video that we're going to make is either Mario's Coma or the Thanksgiving special. Goodbye. Bye. I'm out. Well, you need to do the ending. Okay. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Good of the bye. And by the way, I'm back. Goodbye. So long. Like, goodbye. I just want to talk to you guys. Oh, yes. 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 You know, I'm just leaving. I think I got my costume on. Okay. I need to look like that news guy, right? Yeah. Breaking news. Okay, okay. The video's over. Like, goodbye. Why did I even do this? I don't know. Just goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, seriously, this is the end this time. Okay, bye. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. I'm back on the YouTube channel, babies. Jump off the head. God, I got no head control. Oh, yes, I did it. Or did we? Oh, no. Where's the one-ups?